This question belongs to Database Management System subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015 Set 2. So the question states, consider two relations R1 A comma B with the tuples 1 5 and 3 7. So we have R1, let me draw it over here. We have R1 with the attributes A and B, and the entries are 1 5 3 7. So we have 1 5 and 3 7. And R1 A comma C, we have another relation R1 A and C as attributes with 1 7 and 4 9 as the entries. Suppose that RABC is the full natural join of, so this is R2, sorry, this is R2. So R1 ABC is the full natural join of, we have RABC. ABC is the full natural join of R1 and R2. So R is R1 full natural join of, this is a symbol for full natural join of R2. So what is a full natural join? It is nothing but left outer join union right outer join. Left outer join union right outer join. Now what is left outer join and right outer join? Let me tell you. So this is left outer join. So what we do is that we write all the attributes and then we first do the natural join. So natural join is done on common attributes. So R1 has A as common and R2 has A as common. Okay. So let us write 1 and 5. Is 1 matched to any one of this? Yes. 1 7. So C is 7. Do we have any one entry? No. Now 3 7. So is 3 matched to any entry of A of R2? No. So this is our natural join. Now left outer join means any entry. So see, 1 5 was utilized, but 3 7 is left. So we must write 3 7 along with a null entry in C. This is left outer join. Now what is right outer join? It has attributes A, B and C. Now what we do over here is, first we do R1 natural join R2, which will give us 1 5 and 7, as 1 is mapped to this one. But now see, 3 is not mapped to anything, and here 1 7 is mapped to 1 5. So 1 7 is mapped to 1 5, but 4 9 is not mapped to anything, because 1 5 got mapped with 1 7 and 3 7 doesn't got mapped with anything, and 4 9 also doesn't got mapped with anything. So here we write the elements of R2 which are not mapped to anything. So we write 4, 9 and null in B entry. Now full outer join is basically union of left outer join and right outer join. So we have 1 5 7, 3 7 null, 4 null, 9. Now let us see which are matching. So we have 1 5 7, which is E. We have 3 7 null, which is F. We have 4 null 9, which is G. So we have E F G. So R contains E F and G, but not A B C D. So this is true. R contains E F G, but not A B. So option C is correct.